Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing these two topics, vector concatenation operator and vector reversal one. So in the previous sessions we have seen the part selection. So today we will be seeing the concatenation operator. So what is concatenation? Concatenation is basically adding 2-3 vectors together to make a large vector. So here is a explanation, you can go through it. So let's get on to the problem statement. Given our input vector, concatenate them together, then split them into the output. So we have to concatenate these vectors A, B, C, D, E, F, and the last two bits into this. So here they have given the code snippet. You have to remove the command comma H, comma Z, A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E, comma F, comma. So there are last two bits here, so we have to concatenate that also. So for that we will be using 2D11. So let's submit. So the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success, and here is the timing diagram. So let's get to the next one. Given an 8-bit vector, we have to reverse the 8-bit vector. So it's easy. Assign output equal to, we have to concatenate all the vectors in of 0, comma in of 1, in of 2, comma in of 3, in of 4, comma in of 5, comma in of 6, comma in of 7. We have to close the bracket, semicolon. So let's submit. So compiling process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success. Here is the timing diagram for the selected test cases. So that's all for today's session. So next session we will be seeing the further more topics.